Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders. This is Abdurrahman from FXALTareeq.com, and here's my weekly review of our trades that we did last week. We're looking at the Euro Aussie off of the weekly chart, and we entered this particular trade off of this trend line break here. Stops were placed at 1.5801. We entered in with a sell order at 1.5182. hit target 1 at 1.4750 and also target 2 at 1.4430. That netted us a total of 460 pips off of this particular trade. It doesn't end there. It keeps on getting better. We also are in a Euro Aussie daily trade. I'll move over to that trade in just a moment. But the next trade that we're in, and which we achieved our first target, was the Euro CAD weekly bin trade. We entered this particular trade with the stop loss below the trend line break, which was 0.9139. We brought at our buy order was at 0.9411. We hit our first target just above this line. I'm sorry, this is support and resistance line at 0.9614, and we're on our way to target number 2 at 0.9736. This was a 203 pipper on the initial run. Obviously, we're going for target number 2, and this one looks good. It did close above my support and resistance line here at 96.32, so that is also a good sign. We're out of the box, which we have been in for several weeks. Again, it's all about patience and holding your trades. With that said, let's move over to our Euro Aussie daily chart. All right, we're on the Euro Aussie daily chart, and this is the trade in which we are still currently in, and this is where we are at here. I regress just a bit. This is the trade which also is closed. The other Euro Aussie chart is still open for us. We entered this particular trade hit off of this busted kangaroo tail. It went good for us, giving us a total of 633 pips off of this particular trade. Again, we're still on the Euro Aussie off of the weekly trend line break trade, and that trade last week netted us 406 pips off of target number 1. We're on our way to target number 2 as well. With that said, that's the total trades which we had last week. It ended up grabbing us 1,242 pips last week from superforexsignals.com. You guys, I hope you have a wonderful week going forward. We have some awesome trades that are coming in for next week that are on my radar. So those of you who are on what's on my radar, take a look at those trades. As I look at my sheet here, I have approximately 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 setups coming up next week. So with that said, I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I look to talk to you, and I hope that you hear from me in the coming on Monday when I open up when the market opens up and we get a new trade signal and new trade setup. Have a wonderful day.